So a few days ago, the ITF, the Israeli terrorist forces, stepped up their terror game when they attacked Lebanon after thousands of pagers exploded. And then, the very next day, more people were injured. Thousands more people were injured after their walkie talkies blew up. Now, it's said that the ITF was targeting Hezbollah militants. As we all know, Hezbollah has been attacking and launching missiles into Israel on behalf of Gaza. But here's the thing. They didn't just hurt Hezbollah militants. There were a number of civilians, children, that were killed because of this attack. Not to mention the precedent this sets. Thousands of pagers and walkie-talkies blew up. And I didn't even know they can do that. That was got people wondering, yo, that's crazy scary. So is this against international, is this a violation of international law? It's definitely not humane or morally correct after you've harmed and killed so many civilians. Is this just life now? What the